Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from my background, I am definitely filming from my garden. I am excited because I planted some ginger last year and I am about to reap them now. I'm anxious to see what is going to come out of them. I actually only planted 2 roots of ginger and I'm anxious to see what I'll get. In addition to that, what I'll be doing is planting some new ones today. So if you look in my container here, you'll notice I've just found these inside the house and I'll be planting them. So I have a good quantity to be planted. Let me make the visibility better. So I'm going to be planting some ginger, and the good thing about it is that I won't have to wait long to have them growing because I just broke this one, OMG, but this sprout is still intact, and you just have to look for the ones that have the eye protruding, and you know that you have some ginger to be planted. So I have quite a bit that I'll be planting this afternoon. I'm going to be planting some corn too, my favorite plant, fruit or vegetable. And I'm going to be reaping my ginger. I'm going to show you what's in the farm right now. As I said before, I am totally in the replanting stage, so I have not gotten real far yet, but I'm nonetheless excited. I really need to be out here more often because I need exercise, I need therapy, I need the extra oxygen. I just need to be out here in my farm. I can see that I have some peppers too that I need to pick, and so I'm going to ask you to stick with me as I take you through and you enjoy the reaping with me. I know most people don't have somewhere to farm, so I'm just bringing my farm to you, especially my friends overseas. I'm bringing the farm to you. It is only, well, it's almost 5 o'clock, but the time is very overcast. I think I waited too long to come out here, so I want to get this video done before it gets darker. So are you ready? Let us go, let us go, let us go, because I'm ready like Freddy. As Usain Bolt would say, as Usain Bolt would say, he was born ready. So I'm born ready too. Alright, so let us go now. Alright, so I'm having a little issue here because the rain has started to come down a bit, but I'm not going to let that deter me until it's really pouring down. I haven't been out here for a while, and as soon as I come it starts raining. Alright, so if you look down here, you can see I have carrots right along here. Okay, and I have some pak choy here, and as we move further down you can see this is a new addition to the family, and this is some Irish potato. They have been planted about a month now. I'll definitely be doing a video shortly on how to grow Irish potato. We're planting it for the very first time, so we are not very much familiar with how to actually grow potato, but these are looking lovely. And if you look closely here, you'll notice that I have a beetroot. It looks healthy. All right. So one very good farm practice is crop rotation. By that I mean planting crops in different areas of your farm. So for example, this little area here, I normally plant peanut here, and I'm going to change from planting my peanuts here by putting the ginger here instead. So that's basically crop rotation. There are certain crops that deplete a considerable amount of minerals and nutrients from the soil, and you need to allow the soil to basically heal, right? So you need to heal, cause the soil to heal, and by rotating the crop, planting them in different areas, it does encourage that kind of thing to happen. My ginger video was the very first YouTube video I made, and I'm going to reap the ginger today. So planting the ginger here quickly, and then we're going to reap it. Are you with me? All right, let's go. I'm just going to do a little bit of clearing away, because I noticed that some of the area here need to be cleared away. I don't need a lot of area for the ginger because I don't have a lot to plant. So I can see that the soil is very moist. Here we have our ginger here already growing. Here we have another one. Now I'm not going to cut this any at all, although I could get two, I could get another set. Yes, I think I'm going to break it. I definitely think so. So I'm going to plant this one. I'm going to plant it. I'll bring it a little closer for you to see. So I'm going to be planting it with the shoot, the new bud facing upward. Okay. Right. Although we have had so much rain, the soil is so tough. My goodness. So right now what I'm going to do is to check if I have any ginger in this area. If you notice that the area is in need of bushing, there has been so much rain that prevents the bushing from being done. So I'm going to just bush around the area where the ginger is and check if there is any ginger there to be reaped. So, just going to clear this area. So you know that I'm definitely excited about reaping my ginger. This was my very first YouTube video that I did last year, and I'm ready to check out what's inside. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Just let me know if you're ready. So we are going to explore to see if there is anything in that ginger of mine. I don't even know how to reap ginger, if you ask me. But what I'm going to do is carefully dig. I'm going to carefully dig away from it. I don't know if I should pull it the root up or I should just dig around. So I'm going to do as how you do with yam. Not telling you that this is the correct procedure. Oh my goodness, I damaged the ginger. Wow! Well, I didn't realize that the video had stopped filming while I was reaping the ginger. I didn't realize that it had stopped filming, so I didn't get to show you what actually came from the ginger, but I just got one piece about 3 inches or 4 inches in length, and I just planted it back because I could see eyes on it protruding or bursting out, and I decided that it wasn't sufficient for home use, so I just replanted it so that we will be able to get more from it next year. I also removed the shoot so that it can spring back afresh. Okay, so I'm going to go now to plant number 2 that was planted last year and see if I'll get anything from it. Right here is plant number 2, and I'm going to be clearing the area and uproot the ginger to see if there is anything I can salvage from it or harvest from it for home purposes. But the other one, I just got one about 3.5 inch in length ginger from it, and I decided to put it back into the earth, and I removed the leaves so that it can spring back afresh. Okay, so at this time I'm going to be unveiling ginger number 2. I'm excited, really excited, because this was like my first YouTube video ever, and months later I am coming to check out what's in the ginger. Yeah, it's raining on me, but that's a part of farming. Yeah, so let us check out the whole ginger routine. Okay, well, I approached this one wrong, I could say. So let me see. I've never reaped ginger before, but I'm just assuming that you would reap it pretty much the same as how you treat yams. Alright, so I'm going to be digging away from the area where it was planted. Just clear this area. Oh my goodness, I really just did that again. I'm just trying to go right around the area where it was planted, and I'm digging away from it to see what I can uncover. Oh yeah, I'm seeing something here. Oh yeah, I'm definitely seeing something here. Wow. Oh, this is what it looked like. Wow. Yeah, this one is nice. Can you see that? I never imagined that ginger has so many roots, big roots. Oh my word. Well, one thing I know for sure is that I got ginger. It's amazing. I had no idea the root was like this. OMG. If I had known that it does so well here, I would have planted it here instead of... Oh my goodness. And look, like that is about it now. But the roots, man, the root system. I had no idea the ginger root system was like this. Oh my word. I'm just digging because... I'm sweating. I'm just digging because of curiosity. But I had no idea. So right now, this is the first time I'm planting and reaping ginger. I don't even know if this is the way about it. I think they could be there some more. I am told it by an experienced ginger farmer that it normally bear in a year, but that was just one root and that was a lot. Wow. No, this was just one ginger plant, and yeah, it worked me, it really worked me. But I am satisfied because I have gotten some ginger from it. I think these needed to stay in the herd some more based on the sizes that I'm seeing, but this is a good amount of ginger for one root, wouldn't you say? Yes man, look at that. One root of ginger. Oh my goodness. I feel proud of myself. Aren't you proud of me too? I know you're proud of me. Planting ginger for the first time, just found a piece in my kitchen. So if you want to reap your own ginger and feel good, watch that video. I'm going to leave it in the description below, and feel free to plant your own ginger and reap the excitement of harvesting it. The rain ran me from outside, so I just have to come inside and finish up the video. But definitely, ginger is a very important plant. I am very proud of myself. Very first time planting it, and it's very easy to be planted. You just have to go in your fridge or when you buy and take a piece of it. You can just plant it as is or wait until you see the eyes or the buds coming up. Then you plant them in that upright position and let them grow out of the earth. But was I excited to see what the root looks like? Honestly, I have never seen it root before, and the root system is really something to talk about. And the soil, although we've been having rain for 4 months, the soil was so tough. Up to now, my hand is still red, you know, from the effect of the machete. Oh my goodness. But still excited to be getting some ginger, and quite a bit came from one plant. I had no idea that so much, because I just planted one piece of ginger and the amount that I got was amazing. I think that section of land is just suited for planting ginger. Are you as excited as I am? Did you watch my video and plant ginger? Well, if you did, it's not a year yet, so don't bother go reaping it. But if you did, I'm proud of you. Happy to know that you have opted to follow the suggestion. I have gotten reviews from quite a number of persons and pictures of persons who have planted it, so I'm encouraged. Until I take you something from my farm again, this is Tracy saying thank you for sticking to the end with me. Please let me see you revisit. And if you have not subscribed and you enjoy the content, please feel free to subscribe. If you did enjoy the content too, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Try to be safe, try to be careful, and as they always say in Jamaica, walk good. Take care. Bye. Okay, so ginger it was, ginger it was, ginger it was. It will never, this thing is always failing me, right? Come on, stop letting me down.